Welcome back, everybody, to another Muda production. I hope everybody out there can hear me loud and clear. I've read the comments, and a lot of times, or a lot of the comments, a few of the comments said that you guys were having difficulty hearing me. So, on a couple of videos, I didn't really talk. I just text, type what I was saying instead of just talking. Kind of like an ASMR, right? If you want to call it that way, unintentional ASMR. So welcome back. I got a microphone, which I did have, but sometimes I didn't use it. I solely relied on just my recording device. So I hope everybody can hear me loud and clear and everybody's well. It's just going to be a vlog and a quick cook up today. So I'm going to show you what I have in store for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Me loving the comments. Me soon commenting and me loving for that. Right? Stay tuned. It's a little cook up, but me decide to take you along with me while me cook. Alright? So stay tuned and watch you I come through. So today I decided to do something simple. Dinner was made Sunday, and we've been eating off a Sunday dinner until last night. So I have some plantains. They were in the fridge because the plantains ripe up so fast. I had cut a piece off of this and fried with eggs for breakfast. And I have a whole one. And here's the star of the show, corned beef. I've never used this brand before, so I decided to give it a try and see what it is. I don't know anybody ever used it before. Leave a comment, let me know, but I will definitely know by today um how this tastes. You know what me just noticed, guys? Look at this. No key. Oh my god. No, that is like, wow. This is like a no-no. For anybody who know about canned beef, this is like a no-no. I picked it up today and I forgot to check for a key. So, say me gonna have a warm time opening this thing with a regular can opener. Shucks. But anyway, this is what it is. With some pork and beans. Campbell's pork and beans. I didn't want the regular baked beans. They are a little sweet. This is nice to have had this over rice. I had the vegetarian type of pork and beans over rice, and I like it. I mean, just want to keep it simple tonight. You understand? Me don't want nothing too much. Little black pepper, ketchup, and my seasonings are over here. Tomato and some green onions, scallions, little piece of sweet pepper, red onion. I'm all out of white onion. Red onion will do just fine. And this hot pepper I used it last time, and after I was done, my hands were still burning. So I barely ever touch this piece of pepper today, but I want it to taste nice and spicy. I have a little piece of garlic here. So these are gonna get cut up. I'm gonna eat it with some rice. I do have rice left over, white rice, so it's gonna pair well with this. So that's the deal for today, guys. I'm gonna fry off the plantains and start get the ball rolling. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So you see my pot still have some residue from the plantain I fried this morning. And maybe some vegetable oil. Just bought this bottle today. I'm gonna start frying my plantains. Turn on the stove. So people, how the summer treating you? For those who are living in the Caribbean, where it's always summer, the temperature is always 80 and above. And for those like me, who the temperature fluctuates, right? It's been a hot summer in some places, but for the most part, I'm not complaining. The visit to New York was like, whoa, it was super hot. Super hot in New York. But we have to give God thanks because, you know, such is life. It could have been worse. The prices of food has went up sky high, has totally skyrocketed, man. It's crazy. It's just crazy. And there's so much going on in the news these days. Let me peel this part and then probably just another little piece because I'm not going to make the whole thing. Like I say, it's just for me. It's what I feel for today. And ripe, sweet ripe plantain go good with um corned beef, as we say in Jamaica, bully beef. So I'm not gonna slice these thin. They don't ripe like I would want them to, but they're better than some that I bought before, where it just seemed like it ripe, but it not really ripe. See this? Me, I'm gonna leave that on too. That's why I shoved it in the refrigerator. Because if I had left it out, it would have ripe so fast. So that's about what I'm gonna make for today. It's just for me. Love ripe plant. Anybody else out there love them ripe plant? Now them prefer the green one. I have green ones too, you know. I have some green ones. I bought them to make some plantain porridge. Still haven't gotten to it. And I think it's going to ripe up before I could get to it. But we'll see. Alright, I'll hot me here to pop. I'm gonna lower the stove. The thing with plantain, like we Jamaicans say, plantains are ungrateful. You know what that means? You'll be standing here watching these things, making sure they don't burn. And as soon as you take your eyes off of them, they burn. So we have to watch it, right? Burnt plant not taste good. People would say no food burn tastes good. Some food with a little char on it tastes good, you know. But not many food. That's so forgiving that will taste nice even when it has a char on it. So I have to keep an eye on that. Let me get a fork. Yeah, people, the price of everything is sky high in the supermarket. Everything went up. I did a little shopping for those who had saw the video when I went to New York. And mostly meat. The place I usually get my green produce from has closed down. Everything closed down. So guys, while that's fine, right? Let's have a chit chat. I was telling somebody the other day, an American, that in Jamaica, we don't really experience racism. And I say that because that Alabama brawl that went down, I don't know how many of you guys saw that, with the African American guy getting beat down by the Caucasians while doing his job because he told them to move their boat so the other boat could dock. And then everybody jumped into his defense. All the other, a few African American went in and beat the heck out of them. It wasn't a good sight in the sense that people are people. And the man was doing his job, you understand? And for them to think that they can override that because they feel like, well, you know, they have the right to do such a thing. Not cool. So everybody got arrested. I don't know how many of you saw it. I know everybody saw it because it was everywhere on social media. TikTok, the news. I didn't hear of it until 3 days after because I'm so afraid to watch the news. And then a friend of mine told me, and I saw it on NBC. And I was like, wow, when you think you've seen it all, I was like, wow, I couldn't really believe it. I believed it, but I couldn't believe it. And I tell people, I said, in Jamaica, we don't have racism. You have the rich and the poor, right? You know, but we don't have racism. We see each other as all Jamaicans, so we have all different race, Chinese, Caucasian, you name it. And we just see people as people, you know. This heat is making me hot. But yeah, so, to think that this is the United States of America where people come from all different ethnicity, culture, it's a melting pot. You understand? And to see this go on in this time and era was really hard to watch, no lie. All right, so the plantain, see, if you take your eye off it for a minute, look at that. And they're not fully ripe, like I said. They're not ripe in the right way, like how we used to real nice ripe plantain. You could get nice ripe plantains. Don't get me wrong. But this one, or these, because I had gotten two of them, eh, them so-so, like we would say, them so-so. They're so-so. But they're not bad. They're sweet. They're really not bad. So I'm gonna finish frying these off, and then we're gonna get back to the start of the show. Try to open that can of corned beef without a key. Wish me luck. I like my corned beef with a lot of onions. Well, it's like them corned beef with plenty of onion. Onion get a nice flavor. Not too much scallion. Because like I said, just a little bit me I make. Not making a lot. I don't know if I might put all the scallion in there either. Maybe. Maybe. A piece of garlic. Oil left back in here, so I gotta drain some off. I can't use all of that. That should be enough. These are gonna fry up. I don't want them. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to open that can of corned beef, so I'm gonna go easy with the flames and just throw these in like so. Ooh. Pepper already. Wow. Ooh, that pepper already. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. That pepper already. So let's lower the flame on this. This pepper already. My goodness. Look like we need a little more oil in there now. Let me pour a little more. That pepper right good, man. That pepper is super duper hot. I gotta watch myself with it. Alright, let's leave that on 3. Alright, let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I didn't check for the key on this thing. I don't know if it fell out in the shopping bag or what. But this is crazy, man. Dag. That's the cardinal rule. Check for the key. Check for the key, Muda. Check for the key. So I'm going to go with this end. Let me rinse it off some. I can't believe I didn't check for the key on this thing. Ay, ay, ay. Shucks. Can't believe I did that. Alright. I'm going to take this piece of pepper out soon because it looks like it's going to give me a warm time later if I leave it in too long. Alright, the veg is softening up. Let's get this going. I don't want to do it, but I got to do it. And this can opener is not the best can opener either. So yeah. See? It's rolling backwards instead of forward. And all kind of foolishness. Oh boy, I'm sweating. Just trying to figure this thing out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I don't want to use a knife. I don't want to go old school with it. It's been a while since I went old school. Don't want to cut myself. I will if I have to though. I tell you that much. Oh man. Whew. Look at it go. Whoop. I think it's onto something. Wow. Alright, I'm going to turn the veggies off because, yeah. Look at me, man. I'm sweating trying to open this can. This is crazy. Good Lord. Alright, I turned the veggies off because I don't know how long this is going to take me. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Maybe I'm going to call this video Muda Production trying to open a can of corned beef without the key. Oh, Lord. Guys, I feel like and thumbs up the video. See this? Let me get another knife. It's not working. Maybe this one will do the trick. Why I had to get the can with no key, I don't know. My lucky day. My lucky day. Gotta take it back old school, y'all. Because the food is going. And Muda is in a sticky situation. Come on. Well. My goodness. Yo. This have never happened to me in years. I think this happened to me maybe twice in my lifetime. This would be the second time. I always made sure. I don't know how I got thrown off today. But here I am. When I forget the video, thumbs up for this mess alone. This mess alone requires this video a thumbs up. Anybody out there know the best way to do it when you didn't get the can with the key for whatever reason? Y'all just take a knife to it, old school style, or y'all got one of those electric can openers. I had one till it went kaput, and then here I am. Oh my God, I hate this. This is not phasing out good for me at all. Leave a comment, y'all. Let me know how y'all open a can of canned corned beef when this happens. It would help if I had a somewhat decent can opener too. Look at this. No, sir. It surely would help. But I don't. I got another can opener, but the two of them put together don't make one. Uh-oh. Check it out. I made progress. Yeah. Yes. Man has made it to the moon. Thumbs up the video, y'all. Thumbs up the video for that alone. All right. So I didn't want to use the whole can of corned beef. So that's another task to scrape this out and put up some. I'm not going to use the whole thing. Maybe I should and just call it a day. Don't press my luck, right? All right, so let's see what we have. Oh boy, here we go. To get this thing out the can like this. Oh boy. The heat is, the burner is still not on high, but it's up. What I got it on? 4. You know what? I'm just go ahead. Let's cook the whole thing out. I wanted to save some to make corned beef sandwich. Like we used to do back in the days. People still do it. I wouldn't say back in the days. This can was on sale for $4.99. So I know it's not bad because the brand names are like 6, 7 and change. Yeah, so all right, you know what? I'm gonna take this piece of bad boy out. See him? See him? See him there? I'm gonna take him out because he's my nemesis right now. So hold on. Hear me coughing? That's from that one little piece of pepper. All right, let's get the rest of this out and call it a day. Can't make sandwich. I'm not gonna chance it with this can. Let's just get it out since I got it out. Next time, I'll take a mental note to check for the key. See there? Got most of it out. Whatever I can't get out, I'll leave it because guess what? I'm not trying to cut myself. See all that fat? Not gonna do it. I'm gonna skim that off. That's cholesterol problems. Yes, sir. Okay. And that's it. I'm gonna get a piece of tissue and hold this down and press it down before I throw it in the garbage. And come back on that. All right, y'all. Let's see what we have here. Smells good. I haven't had this in a long time. Long time. Watching my diet. And this thing is not so cheap, but it's good. It's good to have once in a while, yeah? I'm gonna lower the heat again. Lower it down to maybe 2. It's coming on lovely. So before I put that in, the pork and beans, I'm gonna dress it up. some ketchup. I crank the heat up a little bit. Remember, the veggies are cooked, and so is the corned beef. So I'm just adding flavor, layer flavor like I do here at Muda Production. And then I think I'm going to drain some of the liquid off of this and be right back. All right, let's see what we got here. Again, this can, you know, yeah, somebody got to sponsor me for a can opener. Oh dear. All right, empty, right? Small can. This was a small can of Campbell's 11-ounce can. Then I'm gonna crank the heat up again because all this is doing is just warming up with this, right? And we don't want the liquid to dry out because that's going over rice. So you want some kind of liquid, right? So I'm gonna lower the heat again, and I'm gonna add some black pepper. I don't want too much black pepper. I love the flavor of black pepper, but I don't want too much because guess what? He's going back in. Oh boy. Ah, sucky, sucky now. And then I'm just gonna lower it all the way down and let everybody come together for a couple more minutes, not for long. So guys, I bought this. Well, actually I didn't buy it. It was given to me. They claim it's tamarind ball. For the people in the Caribbean, we know what tamarind ball is, right? It looks like it, but it don't taste like it. It tastes like it's rolled in chocolate and salt. Could taste the salt. And I didn't taste any tamarind. We said tambourine ball. We mispronounce it as kids, and just the Jamaican dialect. I would say tambourine ball, but it's tamarind ball. There it is. There's the brand. Um, let me see if I could see where it was made. I'm not sure, but if anybody know this label, this brand, drop a comment with regards to it, and let me know. That's why it's still sitting here. I tried one, and everybody else had a taste, but they didn't take to it. The other one went fast because it tastes like the original that we're used to. I bought this today. It's a product of Mexico, and it's ready to go. I'm gonna try it tomorrow. I miss the mangoes as you see in Jamaica. Yeah, in in New York there was a big box of mango there for everybody, and boy did I feast on those. They were shipped to us from Florida, family members in Florida, and boy did we get down. So yeah, guys. So let's check back on the corned beef. We're almost there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I noticed that it's new. I'm having more views from people who are not subscribed to my channel. I thank you guys so much for watching. But please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I post a new video or a shorts or anything for that matter with Muda Production. So there it is, guys. The final, the finishing touch. The final grand finale. That's it. Corned beef. That gave me a hard time to open with pork and beans. There's really no pork, so it's corned beef with beans And there's the pepper sitting in there with the black pepper. I'm gonna turn the stove off and let the residual heat take care of that. See? You want it with some juice, as people would say, which is really gravy, right? Because you want that is gonna be served over rice. So you want that with it. So there you have it. My corned beef with beans, fried plantains, and some leftover white rice that I have. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thumbs up the video, please. Thank you for watching. See you next time.